Welcome back. In this session, we'll be discussing what block design is. And of course, this is the method that InDesign uses for creating your final artwork. Now, I've got just a magazine cover open here from that we just Googled. And if you look at this design, you'll notice a whole bunch of text boxes. Now, in InDesign, we work with boxes. And those boxes can contain content. A box can have, for instance, text, it can have a color, it can be just a normal vector object, or it can have a photo inside it. So if we look at this cover, we can kind of count the boxes for the content. We have 1 for the title, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and of course the image 17, and even 18, 19 up there. So why did I use so many boxes? A lot of you might say, well, you could have placed all of this content into one box. Here's a very big design tip for you. The more boxes you have in InDesign, the more creative freedom you have. If this was all in one block and we want to play with the placement of the text on the design, it's going to be very difficult if it's in that one box. So rather separate your boxes and your content. It will give you a much more creative potential for your design. Let's look at the same principle on a magazine DPS. Again, you'll notice we've got one box, two boxes, then we've got this box, 3 boxes, which is threaded to this box. So the text runs over to the next box. And this text box runs over to this box. And in this box, we call that text threading. So it's 4 blocks of text. Then we still have this box, we have the image box, we have the little box over there, and we have another image box. Okay. So in principle, if we were starting a new document, let me just show you. We will get into starting the document and everything in a moment. But as mentioned, we've got all these boxes. So each tool, there's the text tool. We can drag a box and we can type in there, hello. We can drag a circle. We can give it a color. That's another type of box. Then we can also do an image frame, and we can drag the frame and we can place an image into that frame. All right. So those are your 3 main types of boxes, and we can fit that image into that box. And essentially what you saw with the magazine cover as well as the inside of the magazine is simply these boxes that's on the page and that can then be moved to create your final design. All right, so that is what we refer to as block design. In the next video, we will start jumping into InDesign and looking at setting up your document. I'll see you in the next video.